somehow this slips from our mind that everything is changing. This thing slips from our consciousness, from our mind. Isn't that so? Huh? We think we are stuck with something that is not going to change. But wake up and see everything changes. Now, when everything is changing, how do you know that everything is changing? There must be some reference point. Without a reference point, you cannot know the change. Isn't that so? And what is that reference point? That is non-changing. And being with that reference point that is non-changing is what the spiritual awakening. And that's exactly that moment when you are with that non-changing entity within you. Time stops. And in sleep you are in touch with this area that's the very center, the core of your existence. The very core of your existence. Got it?